Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to create this geode nail art look. I took inspiration from the top of a really fun pen I purchased from the Halloween store Spirit last year. This look is all about being imperfectly perfect and is really great for all levels of us nail artists, even the beginners. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video for a fun, personalized giveaway surprise. Alright you guys, without further ado, let's get started. Start out by applying 2 coats of a milky soft pink polish. I'm being mindful of the application and floating the product over top the nail to achieve a smooth and even application. Apply a thin layer of top coat to protect the base color from the upcoming nail art that will be going over top. Followed by using a light purple polish paired with a nail art brush to outline and fill in the body of the geode. Again, there is no right and wrong way of doing this, just have fun with it and don't overthink it. Using the same light purple polish paired with the same nail art brush, apply a second coat. While the light purple polish is still wet, take some white polish onto the nail art brush and begin creating thin veining over top while essentially marbling both colors together. Apply sporadic spots over top using a high contrast shimmer polish, keeping in mind to match the light purple base color as much as possible. Using a darker purple holographic glitter polish, begin outlining the edges of the geode. Go in with a silver holographic glitter polish and blend it in between the dark purple and the light purple polishes. Go over top with a sheer glittery purple polish to add further bling to the look. Using a medium purple shade, add in some dimension around some of the edges of the geode body. Feel free to fine-tune anything at this stage if you feel you've missed some areas and want to further enhance the colors that we've placed. Lastly, seal in your design with a layer of top coat. So here we have the final and completed look, and I must say I absolutely love how these turned out. It's actually been a design I've been really wanting to do for quite some time and glad I finally got around in doing it. It was surprisingly easy. Hopefully you all feel the same way too. I went ahead and shared some links in the info box down below if you guys are interested in seeing similar tutorials that I previously created for my channel featuring how to do marble nails and rose quartz nails. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, I have a fun personalized giveaway organized for you guys. This giveaway is kindly sponsored by NAILEXPERIMENTS, and they're going to be creating some really fun custom personalized nail art tools for 2 lucky subscribers. As you guys can see, mine says Nail Experiments, and I really appreciate the personal touch they have. Winner 1 will receive the personalized 6-piece brush set, and winner 2 will be receiving the 3-piece personalized dotting tool set. Make sure to check the info box down below for the giveaway entry rules and details. Good luck everyone! Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you back in the next one. Until then, remember, creativity is at your fingertips. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!